In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an invoice as paid in QuickBooks. This process is essential for keeping your financial records accurate and ensuring that your cash flow is up to date. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by logging into your QuickBooks account. Navigate to the QuickBooks dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your finances. Once you're in, look for the plus icon at the top of your screen. Hover your mouse over this icon, and you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, click on Receive Payment. This option allows you to record customer payments, ensuring your invoices reflect the status properly. Next, you'll be directed to a page where you need to select the customer who made the payment. QuickBooks will conveniently display all open invoices associated with that specific customer. This feature is particularly helpful in keeping track of pending and processed payments, giving you a clear picture of the financial relationship with your customers. Now, it's time to pick the invoice or invoices that you want to mark as paid. Simply click on the invoice you received payment for. This action tells QuickBooks which transaction you are updating, allowing it to adjust your financial records accordingly. Once that's done, enter the payment details. You'll need to input the payment date, choose the payment method like a check, cash, or credit card, and if applicable, add the check number. Providing these details ensures that your records are precise and traceable, which can be very helpful during reconciliations and audits. After entering the payment details, you'll need to decide where you want this payment to be deposited. Select the appropriate bank account from the drop-down menu. Properly assigning payments to bank accounts helps in maintaining organized and up-to-date records, which simplifies financial reviews and reports. Before you finalize everything, double-check the payment amount. Ensure that it matches the invoice amount, unless you're entering a partial payment. In that case, input the exact amount paid. This step is crucial in maintaining the integrity of your financial data. Finally, once everything is in place and all the information is correctly filled out, click on Save and Close. This action updates your records in QuickBooks. Marking the invoice as paid and completing the transaction entry, it's always a good practice to review your entries periodically to avoid discrepancies and ensure all your financial data is accurate. And there you have it. You've now successfully marked an invoice as paid in QuickBooks. This simple process is vital for maintaining financial accuracy and effective record keeping. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for additional QuickBooks tips and tricks.